Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to apply the formula inside the calculator in here. Question number 1. We need to find about the future value of 3,000 US dollars deposits after 4 years and which interest rate is about 3% per year. So this one they use about annually and we need to apply the formula in here. So if I put this one, that should be like this. And this is the future value. And now if I apply about the financial calculator in here, so I will put about 3,000. This is for present value. This one we have 3%. We put number 3 go to here. And that will be I, Y in here. This is about interest rate. And the number of years is about number 4. And we don't have the payment in here. So we want to compute the future value. And that's it about this number in here. The next one, we want to find the present value of the deposits. That will be 13,000 US dollars after 7 years. And we have interest rate is about 4% per year. And this is about semi-annual. Semi-annual, that means they will have 2 times per year. So that will be n equals to number 2. So if I apply inside this calculator, there should be like this. So we have the interest rate is about 4%. And that is about number 2. So we have 7 years. And we need to multiply by number 2. That is about n equals to number 2. And this is the answer for this one. Now, if we apply about financial calculator, so we put about 13,000, go to about the future value in here. The next one, about 7 years, we need to multiply by 2. And that's it for n. The interest rate is about 4%. We have number 4 divided by 2. And we put to this one. We don't have payment in here. And we need to calculate about the present value. So we select about compute and we select this one. And this is the answer for you. This is the end. Thank you for watching.